Back with another little drive. Y'all was good. Take the mic out. Should be connected, I think. Connected? Yep, it's connected. On my lunch, gotta go to Wawa, grab some sandwich or something. M3. Yeah! Hey yo, what the fuck? Yeah. Roasted M3 daddy. I put it in M1. But yeah, welcome back to another video. Nothing crazy. I'm just gonna come with me to go get lunch from Wawa. Feel what I'm saying? Let's see what I'm about to get. About to get something from Wawa. Come on, man. For now, let me put it in drive so I could order this food real quick. So by the time I get there, it's ready. What do y'all be eating for lunch, bro, at work? Let's see. I already have it in the cart, so I just hit checkout. So I'm getting a chicken steak quesadilla with a 24-ounce cookies and cream smoothie. I got that last time. That shit was banging. Quick and easy little lunch, nothing crazy. Check out. Continue to check out. In-store pickup. Pay in the app right now. ASAP. So by the time I get there, my shit ready. You feel what I'm saying? Hell yeah, chat. She about to decline. Oh, nope, not decline. Time to go in M1. Time is it? It's my order number. It's 12:18. Sheesh. I think that's one of my favorite things about this car. That's one of my favorite things is them burbles, bro. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's just like perfect. Like if I get a tune, this is how I want my burbles to be, like just like this. Not like crazy, obnoxious. That's a fire color right there on that Porsche. Look at this shit, bro. You just, I guess, just drive out. Fucking idiot. What was the point? You came out of the same lane just to go back into the same lane. Like, that shit don't make no sense, bro. You came out of this lane just to go back into that lane, bro. Let me see if I can sneak over. Not about to wait for this damn light, bro. Not about to wait for that light. Fuck, I look like waiting. The fuck I look like waiting, man? Yeah, bitch. Don't even look over here. That shit's so quiet. It is so quiet. All right, let's see if my order is ready. All right. Let's see if my order is ready. Hope nobody don't look at me with this camera on my forehead, bro. Nobody be like, what the fuck is he doing? Three, 1, 4. Not ready yet. This thing right here. Okay. People really be looking like crazy. I got all my camera shit in here. Fuck it, I'm a content creator, so why not? Alright, which way do I go? Alright, that light just turned red right there, so I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Gotta think smarter, my boy. This light about to turn green now. Where'd I put my phone? Oh, okay. Oh, I need to get gas soon. I got 55 miles left. Do y'all eat in y'all cars, bruh? I ain't got no other choice, so I'm gonna eat in this shit. I don't like eating in here, but yo, this shit banging. Florida. Bro, this is Jersey. Why you doing all the way here in the Florida plate? Damn. I want to drive to Florida one of these days. Because why not? Oh, the light just turned red. GG's. GG's. Bro, you know I got suspended one day from my job because I drifted right here when I was leaving, because it just rained, so the road was wet, and I drifted, and the next day I came in, bro, they suspended me for the day. I'm like, bro, the fuck? Talking about I was speeding down here. I wasn't even speeding. I was going like 10 miles per hour down here. And what made them suspend me is because they heard my car, because that shit was loud as fuck. I had the Z at the time, and the Z was full bolt-ons, so they thought I was speeding. Motherfucker suspended me, bro. Isn't that crazy? What if I just spin right here? If I just swing this shit right the fuck here? What would they say? What would they say? Going back right into my little spot. It's not a parking spot, but who gives a shit? Boom. Reverse a little bit. Right there. Put the window up a little bit. I don't like people watching me when I eat. Turn it off. Move the seat back a little bit. Get my food. But first, gotta watch some YouTube. Let's watch Agent. Where's my sound?
The rolling fortress.
Come on, bro.
Orchestrated chaos in the skies. Together, they tell a story.
No, this is what I don't understand. Bro, why is power that appealing, bro? Why does he want to be in power?
This shit banging,
So, like,
bro.
there's no way this is a way to live life. Why are you doing this? He's just obsessed with power. It's like, you're in a.
Since 2000, Vladimir Putin has spent most of his time
Appreciate it.
summer residence in Sochi and a palace that Putin needs to travel. And that's when he's most vulnerable.
Bon appetit.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga.